Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast free shipping. And they'll ship this to you in no time. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And you guys can check them out over at Lemorele. I think I said it right. That's going to be, a 9-in-1 USB-C hub multi-port adapter. Looks nice. So we got HDMI, USB times 3, USB data. It's a RJ45, SD TF card, USB-C, and a PD. Chromebooks, laptops, you name it, this does it. So all you gotta do is click that link down below. Take advantage of the Cyber Sunday or Cyber Monday deals. Feels like a Sunday, but a happy Cyber Monday to everybody. Here we go. And check out what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. But if you like it, I would suggest to get it now. They got the sales going on. So here we go, 9-in-1. Get it out, set it up. It has a nice little graphic art on it. Panda. Definitely want a Panda. So you just connect this to your Chromebook or MacBook Ethernet. Super lightweight. Take this on the road with you. Nice color too. Nice laser and stitched. And it's cool. Alright, let me get the situated in the other room. Alright guys, we're going to plug in an Ethernet. Zoom it up right there. Now it's running perfectly. I have full internet connection. Now HDMI spot right here. Going to connect it to this monitor right there. And everything looks good. Got the mirroring good down pat. And then right off to my MacBook. And then now we're going to test that out. Show you guys the little steps. There you go. And now thumb drive. Gonna load up some files. Gonna stick it right there. Load it up really quick. Super fast, guys. I'm telling you, this will be a nice stocking stuffer. And then now we're gonna SD card or TF. Load it up. There you go. There's the files right there. Everything works perfectly. And definitely check them out. Lemorele on Amazon. 3 USBs, HDMI, Type-C. Perfect. Be safe.